Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another video, and in today's video I'm just going to be pretty much doing my makeup and talking. So yeah, I don't really have much to say for the intro. As always, I just kind of get into it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so whenever I start my makeup, I always just like hydrate my face. So I'm going to be using this matte oil control lotion from e.l.f. This always keeps me like super mattified, especially with like a oil controlled primer as well. Together they just... Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this little matte putty primer. It's a little baby one. It's a little baby. Okay. Oh, she's almost done. Do you guys see that? That's embarrassing. I got way too much, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna go into my eyebrows and I'm gonna use this matte shadow brow and liner palette. I really love this palette for my eyebrows. They look really natural when I do them with this. And they look, it's very easy to work with. I don't know how to explain it. I honestly have to do my eyebrows. They're looking a bit bushy lately. Now I'm just gonna blend that. Okay, pretty. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I use this Juvia's Place concealer in shade 20. I'm gonna use the applicator on the back of my hand. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and kind of carve them out. And I'm gonna go in with a little puff and kind of like blend that out, or like sheer it out downward over my eyes. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm gonna use the concealer under my eyes to get rid of my under eye bags and also just to brighten like the inner parts of my face. Just try to carve out my nose as well as on my chin. Cute. Very cute. Very cute. And on my forehead. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the puff again just to blend that out. Okay, now that I'm done blending all of that out, I'm gonna go back in with a setting powder and set everything I just put foundation over. Just to get it really matte. To be honest, I love when my face is matte. I don't like looking too shiny at all, like ever. Well, I think it depends on what I'm doing. Like if I'm going to the beach, I don't really want a matte face, but when I'm going out, most of the times I do. You know what I just forgot to do? I forgot to cream contour, and that's upsetting. Close that. Now we're gonna go in to, oh, I can't even cream contour, can I? Do you think it'll mess up my face? We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna cream contour. Let's see. Can cream go over powder? Honestly, I don't know. I just work here. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Sculpt and Shape Cream Contour Palette. I forgot to say, I'm not a beauty guru. I apologize. But let's see how this... I think it's working good. Let's just see how it blends out, honestly. Okay, now I'm gonna blend this. I'm gonna use my stippling brush to kind of work that in there. Okay, so now that that's all blended out, I'm going in with the Totally Plastic palette by Iggy Azalea and BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna do that as my bronzer. Go in with the Shark Toothbrush by Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna use all three of the bottom shades. So now I'm gonna go in upward motions and blend that in to give me more of a snatched look. Now I'm gonna go in with this little brush I have from Joa Cosmetics. I'm gonna use that to buff that out a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this little Morphe brush for my nose contour. I'm gonna do the same thing I did for everything else. Now I'm gonna go in with the Doja Cat brushes, and I'm gonna go in with this peachy shade of the Totally Plastic collection, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes to add some color back, a little bit of peachiness. All right, now I'm going in for blush. I'm gonna be using this Milani in shade Tea Rose and with this Morphe brush, and I'm gonna kind of give myself more of a nude blush. These Milani blushes are super buildable and they don't go on too dark the first time. So I feel like it's gonna be a good formula to work with. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna try to like stipple a little bit of blush into the little inner part of my under eye as well as my cheek. Cute. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the new Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use shade Blowout on my under eye, or on my outer crease. And I'm gonna use this little Studio M brush, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes with shade Craving Chocolate. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this little Morphe brush, and I'm gonna blend that out. And then I'm gonna go in with my little eyebrow brush, and I'm gonna go in with shade Invitation Only, and I'm gonna darken up that under eye. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna use this Lash It Loud Volumizing Elf Mascara. It's a brown mascara, so it'll kind of fit the look. Now that I'm done with mascara, I put on my bottom and top lashes. I'm gonna go in with this lip liner from ColourPop. Now I'm gonna go back in for the lashes, and I'm gonna be putting them. So now I'm all done with the lashes. So I put 2 of the bigger Ioni lashes on the outside, 2 of the bigger Ioni lashes in the middle, and then the smaller Kiss lashes on the outside. And then I put 2 big ones on the bottom. And I'm gonna just go in with this Wet n Wild Breakup Proof gel eyeliner on my waterline. So now I'm all done with the eyeliner. My eye is literally watering now, but now I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss. The lip gloss, I'm gonna be using this Showa Glassify lip gloss. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray my face with the matte finish setting spray. And then I'm gonna change into my outfit really quickly. So here is the final look all done. Comment down below what you think. If you love it, if you hate it, all feedback is good feedback. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.